That new African is ready to fight his own battle.
Donc, Ŋdi Wɔna Tony Mark-Boye enya ways of dom na mi va egba tome. Egba ona ele tohe abali kimioni lai China mi wona goma jeke kple motivational message mi adon si mi kple nya jojo enya tiare ko ke ne mi zorengo mi akpon ka nye nya jojo yo ke le mi ape ya pa no jicho mi apa muganto mafia ke ne mi ga yidengwa mia akpo nkawe nye ya jojo ke kaka chi mi ape ya jojo bano pakba akpagba wato wo ji ha Tony Mark-Boye mi akploge pasre fia cho fia pasre ganye kena po ganya mi atepo ajongum akpo nkawe nye ya jojo donkyo mi ozu hachi ashision o iji mjoke fida mi wu mi apo na ngwasre fia ayo ke kamieko mi o blogger ya jojo vazu ave adipa mo kuene o le fisha fi ke yo ke kemikon e ke kemia vio e ke kemia vao e ke kamia mi apo toma mi o mchona gba afi pona nkai kaka jo duma mlome ke donc ujiba +233242670 enye number eke na tenza akono ekame kwapimi +233242670 enye number eke na tenza ako agere kame kwapimi ehia be nya do bien we hia be nya jabagwa shabagwa eke mi atemaje alawe nya po wona o nano kakare duaja tamata na kwa mi le Facebook a like share comment na tai Facebook kwa mi ashire jiaji ke like na tangno na nangwe rurami alo na lukai ke jine mi akomle akoma na amobubole ya bala buboji ha wo asemia nko. All right ke mi aron kujiba mi le YouTube ji ha mi awenya Ewenyigba TV mi le YouTube ji pepe ke miao ke ganye Ewenyigba TV le TikTok ji awi mato tola nye rates stitches yoke le ho fragile host hotel botutu nedo na le powerhouse mi dakone mo be ekpekpene mianchi albe mi do chole TV oji manye dokumina wo hiaromo mi dakone ale kala kebebe yoke kama sube miapa motivational message da kani motivational message ara mia ajuma now don't kujiba nebe mia a do ajopa kple ebe a chashia de klimi alo ebe nyakpere nchi alo be mi jamel ponko nakbetua ke Jimfuka hostel le Ho Technical University fa Jimfuka hostel la Ho Technical University ama PPP alawe na agremiaji mi akpere nwo ajagbagba ashishachi shamnela na akakare to kata bo mi wonira ta mi yom bana tere mi anchi nonkujiba ashishacha bobloma doa badudu yeko ne ashishacha bobloma doa agwadudu yeko wo nye. All right, ke mia bomia motivational message da idako le mio TV oji ke agba pe motivational message a do ko le idako afuncho ale ka mo drop on kaka oblia orokiota. Welcome to the transmission. Our motivational message for today is: people are judges for your case and lawyers for their defense. People are judges for your case and lawyers for their defense. A lot of times, we find people critiquing, people pointing, hair splitting, identifying what's wrong with us because it's our case, not theirs. But when their cases come to the fore, they quickly jump to the defense. They become counsel. They defend and do everything they can so that they look good. So we have to learn how to deal with people like this, navigate them, and stay positive and progressive. Motivational message like that. I'm more drop on shigere. Nemyapa nyao do. Nenyao chula nyanchia mo drop on shigere. Aka na kan wala. Ogbana gidi ba yo odrobon yorokyo. Oja bababala op yorokyo ta. And then my batoli ma jimya strong like nyanya nkasa mimile chomo bo nkasa mimile mo. Mukai nyanya yoka nisa sam chomo bo. Like me toga ko doy black akaw mi macho akaw doy ema nyo chichi yo nya azorango akpo nkanye mi apa nya jojo yo ka chu mi apa ntwame le afia ha nya jego me chu holiday.com news. So far Kufu exits Council of State amid judicial storm. So far, Kufu exits Council of State amid judicial storm. Former Chief Justice Sophia Kufu enye fota $1 na Ghana adayi ke ye jura afi tokonu wabaretepo ke Sophia Kufu ke dukopola John Dramani mama chambo nanyi pa down do habo bo to motoraka aba irashidon kwe ke baike akon kumesio ncho ke wazucho afimisem enyanyade kama joga mi bona no poganyi. Victor Gbeho dies at 91. Former Minister for Foreign Affairs and statesman, diplomat, Victor Gbeho dies at 91. Victor Gbeho na mantata male TV aji ni popom eto itogyo gbo. Musk crown history's first trillionaire titan. Musk crown history's first trillionaire titan. Elon Musk also he hamato gato kikake bogahu kakaka trillionaire kaklama malina la gbamo da ema Elon Musk yenye wa eje mafuma yenye kikama gato kikake cho hika pojojo cho solo monjivaro gbe Elon Musk. Trump turns 80 amid White House cage fight. Trump turns 80 amid White House cage fight. Elon Musk, a hope for black a joy kawai. Yema Donald Trump. I beg your pardon, Donald Trump. He can America to couple hope blani. That's big deal. Amata hope blani yaganye to couple. Amata hope blani anotenga odo. Amaposo swata waka note anonglem wacho azon ayagbo awodo kwachocho manomia. American President Donald Trump is 80 and is still performing. We'll discuss that when we have time. Innocentia Avenue no watatale fuma Avenue nye Edemagbana yikanye Ketu North talk about Parliament but beneficiary of Dumatoraka like scholarship G the University of Cape Coast. Dokoko la wibono kokobu by nkakoboro mokpo nchoy kabazu choy okpo nchina kukule achaputo le Hatchland Beach yokbo Innocentia Avenue for nchilale. UCC family denounces organ harvesting allegations. Avenue poma gbogbona do ajaba yora kuku amagbomo le avinu eku alebe wo de eƒe ŋtsiŋuwo abe organo he abe kafla zigbɔsi andre yono alo nyɔnume ŋmɔ katã mele mo tsɔ yi ke va yia ƒoma eko nya da ɖe dua dzi abe nye vevesese na yewo ŋutɔ be amewo hatsi kam kple yewovi ƒe ŋgbeyiyi eya ta yewo ɖe kuku ame yiwo ke yewovi ƒe nɔnɔmetata kɔm kɔ tsatsami yewovi ƒe nɔnɔmetata kɔm kɔ bubludome le yaƒe lɔ katã dzi be yewovia eku yewovi kua yewo ɖe kuku zigbɔ nane ne wodzudzɔ nɔnɔmetata ma ɖeɖefia le yaƒe alɔwo dzi eye wokpɔ gbɔ be wodzudzɔ ŋkɔ gbegblẽ ne ƒoma be yewovi va yi bu va yi tse tsiaƒume ɖewo va li doe yewo ƒe ŋtsiŋuwo mele ŋuti o yewo ɖe kuku yewovi le pepepe ta nya vovovowo ku ɖe nya ŋu akpa vovovo li ne nya akpa ɖe nye be kpovitɔwo ƒe dɔwɔƒe be yewo autopsy wɔ ge alebe yewo akpɔ nu ka tututu wli ka be kpoku eɖoe nye be yeah, I think masi ɖe fuma ko so UCC student Innocentia avinu ƒe kua enye nya yi ke nye big story ke tso miaƒe ŋutɔ ma dze gɔme tso fuma. The missing body of 20-year-old University of Cape Coast student Innocentia Avenue was discovered washed ashore at a beach near Hatchland Beach Resort, ending a frantic search that gripped the central region. A recovery has plunged the academic community into mourning and triggered an immediate police investigation. The level 200 student was seen last on June 11, 2026 at Ayenso Plaza Hostel wearing a black dress before vanishing without trace. Relatives launched a desperate search across Cape Coast until dawn, when fishermen alerted authorities to a body on the shoreline. Personnel from the UCC District Command responded swiftly, documenting the scene and conveying the remains to the Cape Coast Teaching Hospital mortuary for preservation, identification, and forensic examination. Preliminary police inspection revealed blood oozing from the nose, but no visible marks of assault on the deceased. Investigators photographed the site and appealed to coastal communities and chief fishermen for information that could clarify the circumstances preceding the tragedy. The dean of students later joined family members of at the mortuary, where the body was formally identified, concluding identification phase while deepening the evidentiary process. The education minister has ordered a comprehensive probe into the students' disappearance and death, directing security agencies to leave no lead unexplored. The directive follows public anxiety over campus safety protocols and the proliferation of unverified claims on social media, including organ harvesting speculation that the Bereau family has categorically rejected. University authorities have urged restraint, emphasizing the forensic pathology will establish the cause of death. Innocentia Avenue enrolled at the University of Cape Coast, one of Ghana's premier public institutions located in a coastal city where student life intersects with fishing communities and tourism. Recent incidents involving students have highlighted security of hostel students, mental health support, and emergency response systems. Birakwa, non-via mikwa for there, yenye nyonto nyonvi Innocentia Avenue, ika kafla, loko kloto, alo okwe, le 11th June, pojimu ya memile ponkeke wile keli agbenye keke nagbe, ko mogakbe hu kasha o jin ko loko wasa cho topo dala ugbo yokbo amare wike chapu le vacho dare goji ta no van kramangbe makonya ochoko ere Cape Coast Teaching Hospital olan kuna ko ba avuno to don't show much money. Ye kwenye ngi kupo daka nana kama jaba ukhlane ni ukhlak buri alo nana ko ta no tata vano je jam le Facebook ya po funo ji no cha tram fisha fia mo no popom ko puma bi ora kuku mo maga to vasa sanayo no jujo no tata mo mama alo yo petumana fa nang yo wocho ame banchi ayo wita ya onyo ke Minister of Education hari na dusu de baba kabanto no dan kuma marka maga go dole nyanchi marka ga trafo no jawa kwasha baba ke oje to suba yo butana nya ne ame nani na mewe no ga nya mewe ha yo nya ko no be jina jama da yo ko yo bi fonchila kukua acho adi ayimbata enyare wenye enyaya nya ganto konkon ike jejima be nya ike chumia pe ntome afia ine. All right, le fumaka akpo sofa akofo ex council of state amid judicial storm. That's a big story. Pira kwa nyika go misa sofa akofo o chenwe ananya dangolo du motore kana to kopola dango ha bobo yi kenya council of state o du motore ka onyega ka ara si don apo ke bai makan ro gbana na to kopola we maka do momo ye male o dangolo to so fa anya me de kare ke mi don kujie kana na do lan kwa kufa do fa jirube maka te gayo ko jibo yo khana am ko jujo dola ko jujo enya mare kare ke oba anya pipito kaka dojolo chachi chere jiru apa chacha manchi yeke ganya mare ke eike wode justice ketu tokonuda chachi chere azoli manchi ta anya mare ke tubo be ejejema be jiru me chin be na mazo fo ta bondola ha malona ngbegno ejejem pa ke amobecho ami apa chachankra enya pune twa bo chafio ambao constitutional requirement leto tanya mami bana manjona ko ganyi azudu na ta mia asame arafma na ganya poko mi bogara specs x IPO no x tofa amaga ikenya momemi lativia yevmo mo momemi lafma yenye kikakata gogo fa gato kikaka yika nyemak popo is big deal. So mi bana conversation moga na yiya me jiju na yiya the mona mi bana nkulagere this big story nchi. This is a very big story, trust me. This guy is so loaded, and we'll do that very briefly. Musk crowned history's first trillionaire titan. Elon Musk has transcended every prior echelon of private influence, becoming the first individual in documented economic annals to command personal fortune denominated in trillions after SpaceX's epochal public listing ignited global capital markets. The watershed movement reconsiders the architecture of wealth and crystallizes a new paradigm where spacefaring ambition converges with financial supremacy. Takbira kwa Elon Musk hika kata pakeshinoto ganto kikake ye nya ma miepo. All right, obe aya okwe nya nyoke miakbora le miape nyajojo gbanle ya yike. Yeah. All right. No, that's another one of our stories. Victor Beho dies at 91. Quickly, Victor Beho dies at 91. That is real big news for us. Victor Beho, former minister for foreign affairs, He's a great guy. Trust me, he's a great guy. And Victor Beho, a trauma be, he the Togiogbo. Mao Makbireko ke magapuncho nyajojo recover le banreka petaku ke mahoto mchuchu na nya ali agbo akpo nyajojo ban mamlo ke chuntu mamlo me a Italian diplomat James Victor Beho, whose deft stewardship of foreign policy shaped Ghana and West Africa for decades, has died. His passing closes an epoch of multilateral finesse, principled negotiation, and unwavering devotion to to regional integration. The nonagenarian statesman died peacefully at his residence after a brief illness. Surrounded by family, colleagues hailed him as an institutional memory of post-colonial diplomacy, citing his tenure as Minister for Foreign Affairs under President Jerry John Rawlings and his later elevation to President of ECOWAS Commission. Diplomats recall his incisive interventions during crises in Liberia and Sierra Leone, where his shuttle diplomacy helped avert further bloodshed. Bilokwa Philip Victor Beho, former Minister for Foreign Affairs, is dead. Maroon Kujiwaji Banto Maroon Makbo Fifi Kwetea, Fifi Honorable Fifi Fiavi Kwetea, a hand meeting ma. I mean, a keynote speaker at the University of Ghana, very peaceful guy, very learned man, and Yakble, the then retired Major Quaritch Koshiga of the MPP. That's what I remember about them. No for Ghana, me no toji alawe, me nyajojome, Jolau yokenya tunyahera pong tapo ubenoge alawe. Mia Awodochomi and Kabakamanto. All right, Mawumple Africa Today, Kumahodo. Africa Today, just a quick one. TDCSCO hails new share platform as major milestone for the industry. All right, Nadala Fumacho Yoku Dadanchi Lemiapong Tomafia, you can go get Africa Today. GLOA confirms KGL's market lead, discourages revenue comparisons with the NLA. Ihalefia Nikwe Aplaku, the first reclaims original chieftaincy, urges public to use correct chieftaincy title. Okay, Nikwe Aplaku Banto Lefia, Ewenyefia Ganyefia, the Ditolo Pontome. Togbe Hodge II promises investment to drive MEPE United's push for top flight promotion. Togbe Hodge II promises investment to drive MEPE United's push for top flight promotion. MEPE top fia Togbe Hodge Velia le fia Boblombe Ingbadona to Yobasha Barang to Ganava Chum Puntum Akbare Abufu Habobo Yikalyoshi Jiba Yo Yingo. Dignity restored as KGL Foundation transforms Accra Psych OPD. Ta KGL nye do pareke legi na bakbarang amioka nya susuma do lalau le again. Ke pepa ka chumya pang tua mafia nyama mnito ke mako awu mafia hodo chuchupi nye. NDC National Vice Chairman hopeful Dr. Segbefia delivers strategic message to Northern and Bono region delegates. NDC National Vice Chairman hopeful Dr. Segbefia delivers strategic message to Northern and Bono region delegates. Again, Dr. Segbefia chunyapa mtome afia ke agbagbasha gwajembe wo a chanye alebe yazu Ghana kata glogodo fue dun bolo habo bokinye NDC fue simeno lokberento ta simeno lokberento fue gbagba ejemole be yazu ne NDC ke le miape gbane de ka yike kachumiape amuganto mefia apung ne ameokacho jogba oji NDC National Vice Chairman hopeful Dr. Segbefia delivers strategic message to Northern and Bono region delegates. The National Vice Chairman hopeful of the National Democratic Congress, Dr. Edem Segbefia, has delivered a strategic message to NDC delegates in the Northern and Bono regions, urging them to muster the courage to vote massively for him to win the Vice National Chairmanship race in the upcoming internal executive election scheduled for December 2026. The messages we took the form of greetings from Dr. Adam Sebefia to all delegates across Tamale, Northeast, Upper East, Savannah, Bono, and Upper West regions were centered on his bold vision. He expressed hope, stating, "Your strength, discipline, and loyalty have always been the backbone of our party in the North and beyond. And as we move forward, I urge you to stay firm and remain loyal to the ideals of the vision of the NDC. The work we started must not be derailed by division or distraction." Dr. Sebefia noted that le awake Banayama, Africa Today, I beg your pardon, Africa Today, Africa Today, Africa Today, I beg your pardon, Africa Today. Dr. Sebefia Pong Jogba Oji Toma Toba Mpokwe Kale Yoshi Kple Susu Ikele Tamanayo Ikena Yozu Dukoya Pololagba Maga Pochigbero Nsema Juma Kple Gbaglama Ikele Lamne Jogba Oji To Yoko Kokpenare Manche Ko Wanam Nunola Nanume Okpere Henchi Albe Azunola Aveneva Yekpekere Amo Shamanchi Amo Pamenye Dr. Sebefia Manyamare ke anololudo anohoidompo no chaya yekpogo mashame kle pacha vagum yike fe vosa ple gbagba cheche ple ntepo ina ye rofuma ke amama ha akpore ta yefo susunye be patia akpo mashame ke wonane mashame ko wona no plame le akoya la kodanyame nyaya onye nyajojo ke chomia pontome makodomu chuchukiare rogali kaka oje jan le gban gandra nyoji ta na matrogbova le tumuchuchua ohomagba nya azorango mega kashi TV ango Tony Mark-Boye enya miaplo.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
No silence ever English dictionary. Mais si dictionary a son fi de passer K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard and you know the view and you know the view can le basic level and you know American le SHS and you know American le university allo le language you nanya make manya be view e be a strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary and you know I'm a Sammy can never be module rapport and be a strong be no silence ever English dictionary and you know mama nala dile ko so mad na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can I call screen Nigeria open to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la ya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa conveno no silence ever English dictionary and you talk.
Welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel but 2222 afima emie lenyema. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
go.
Oh, what the? Let go, Joel.
Oh, very much. Bà đã quên làm đồ cái tụi quỷ, ta nhận too much traditory, một những woman rất là killer.
Oh,
những mà vật phẩm, những mà thật mà thùng, mà nó chỉ có một lúc.
that is not the Abraham if I can't lay a party to point of boy hour. But the husband that didn't know fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Bani who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party for Yahoka Taragay.
Mà nó chỉ có một biết luôn.
Va vai Batacano Sugo, Itabiga Dada Cremontonto, Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
Bây giờ vô là tô bông, nhưng mà nó chỉ cá cổ, mà bông giờ.
Vô là chỉ cá nó plơ, na zama, phi vai na kama furaga nào, mà chama na zin.
Nhà pa tụt đó là tụt fita, ita nhớ giả vô là chỉ cá. Nhà tụi mà toro ha, vô giờ vô là chỉ cá phụ chỉ là mà.
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
Mà nay yêu là vô là tô, nào là mà san.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pa mala akblawu wo jango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu la hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala kwakwe a gada woji la agodo ma Yellow House Street wo jango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrek la afava dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogo mandiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi afa pokana vola la 0244 512 1450
Vola
Nina nemiayi Vola eba senda Afima mi apoto yoyola Nyadeba Vola Efi valo Apluri le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domaru le fuda now Echite pedeka Ufuto makata Mele tomo nyidewa Etipa kolonoba Na ile vola eba senda Ikele jengo aplau Victoria Park Afima na kodoro Wotu akame Wakuto Wofukaume Wofukame tutu dokata Vola heba senda Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodoro. Come on Vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio ma hofo wie vo
Ago.
Oh, what the? Let go, Joel.
Oh, very much. Bà đã quên làm đồ cái tụi quỷ, ta nhận too much traditory, một những woman rất là killer.
Oh.
Miafe mpolo mdakpana mi be mi ho jibodi na me va ho dum chuchu pijiji ma ha trova mdakpana mi be mi ndem ya pa jeru mama ha ma dom agbendi na mary mi anko sam chwa de denta honorable doctor adam sabe fia mi anko sam choge ma do dino ya no vi mano mi anko sam chowe mano kuso boga don ndino miaƒe messages wo dze vava ke mio kata xlege ne gama su ta mio mi ga dzo le TV gbɔ mio mi le TV ɖe asi gong ale ne gama su koa mi miaƒe ŋutsotsowo kata ŋkɔse geme takpe ne Yesu tɔ hã Yesu tɔ mia ŋkɔ sem tso ando sukɔne ando mekpo woƒe ŋutsotso ke ne ɖo ɖa mi hã ta medo ŋdi ne mi kata. Alright, ke mia azɔ ɖe ŋgɔ ke mia akpo nu kawoe nye nyadzɔdzɔ yiwo ke kaka tsi miaƒe nyadzɔdzɔgbalẽ gãwo me gake hafi miawɔ ma press statements aɖe tso Bank of Ghana gbɔ miakpɔe ɖa. To the public, Bank of Ghana notice to all banks, payment service providers, regulated financial institutions, and the general public. Bana recho o taga jarufa gbo Bank of Ghana be miakhle ne aduaja agbana yine gajaropo do po ko bana miachi midaga cho miapa account ma lo funu jikoina account bubu lo funu bubu ji bele ameokata nye the supervisory directive regarding support for fiat USD wallet services in Ghana. The Bank of Ghana has noted with concern the operation of fiat currency wallet arrangements denominated in foreign currencies, mainly United States dollars, by certain crypto platforms for users in Ghana, supported through bank transfers, payment cards, and other payment channels provided by some regulated financial institutions. These arrangements typically involve activities that require authorization under the payment systems, puts the pressure up. The Payment Systems and Services Act 2019, Act 987. The foreign exchange platforms have not been authorized by the Bank of Ghana to undertake such activities. Accordingly, banks, specialized deposit-taking institutions, electronic money issuers, payment service providers, and other regulated financial institutions are hereby directed to refrain from establishing or maintaining arrangements that facilitate the funding, operation, settlement, or customer access to unauthorized fiat currency wallet services offered to users in Ghana. Institutions that currently provide any banking payment card requiring settlement or related services in support of such arrangements shall take immediate steps to discontinue such support. Failure to comply with the directive may result in supervisory or enforcement actions. Right, for inquiries or technical support related to the registration process, please contact vasp@bog.gov.gh. Signed, Amy Vida Kwashe, Miss Secretary of the bank, dated 12 June 2026. Banade domiago yiko ngro makraji fida gbema ba na akhlene to akata ek funji gajaru fe ya ro ko ga tofia yoko bona ba na choga cho mobile money malo na di achoro re gajaru kwaro alo shicha kware kenye betadu koma shicharo kware ke o makbona ayiro ka o makole o gbona bana choga ko de gajaru ko o ma gachi chigereji ruine acho sidi akpeve alofa neve na kpo sidi blanye gbeshagba ruine bana acho sidi alofa rekave na kpo sidi alofa kablaton gbeshagba ruine na acho sidi akpe aden alofa neve na jeru pakli yo jinwa fe alaba jinwa fe magba ga na jireja pakple fe ronye be yo to klanago na fu gade plafa alawe na achashi yo number rugaro funji na nyacho number mako pour yo app mako ke trade ma yo gato klanago na fu gayo ve plafa no choko duro na yue nyacho pour yo fa asicha ko korura yo ko achashi ma ke gaji jineji dar kuna fia no gacho ga la do gal funji akoto maro jiko akoro gbeta du comme les veaux de o ko da no yin ko ga anu jiji na jina no pon le funji ro na pe funji na nke ko atandi ro metere go buji ma ba gbere re ba vamcho o ta ga jaro ko gbo gbe ga jaro ko de shade ga cho ko de shade ka juru de ma gbana yo ka ko pam de na nwu o an no jujo ma ngaka ameo ka jiru de magbana license banks yo ka la kachacha ba kwa beta du comme ashichala yo ko yo manya o amamo kata no jujo ngakala ba no yo ba lewo yo to he no be fi e ba do jombe do kan no ko no final ko bo inana ga tolu na chu 500 de demako ba shagbe ano 60 pon 50 pon ko nana ba mo jagwe bla ga fifi ko ano fifi no kano ga le koko ba fifia yoga fu akpoba mo no ga cho 10,000 ve na cho 10,000 ve emela ano 3,000 pombo shagbe ko bo funa do poto ba ji 10,000 aba yoro onya fu ga dem man ka fu plato ko blo ngachi no bufu mo ga kpona o yo o sanko ruo na yo mo mu chonio ta the message alo vocal garo akonya ro ra bia nya kamera baronchi jigera meke mwanchi roma le WhatsApp ji le Telegram ji le bon chat ji le Skype ji amao yo vupo moko we no shikoko jiruru gberembe ni ajojomo jigbamna mo amo agba toyi amo pagba dodore nene mioma itasilo. All right, ke miakbo nka nye headline so le nyajojo ne mamlome kaba afi ganyena for the Daily Statesman. The Daily Statesman. GS teacher calls for innovation to tackle overcrowded classrooms. Equipping South MC faces removal over financial irregularities petition. GLOA defends private lotto operators' contribution to NLA. KGL Foundation renovates Accra Psychiatric OPD. Okay, mapuncho OPD to am ka pai ka poto ko ba chichare boglomba ye ngogba jiru ba kavanto wala mpure yo kwa suku yo kwa bosusu tan yo kwa suku homanchi no putana nyamana yo equipping South to for momefia elanyam o boglomba no didala ba ablashida gama. All right, the Daily Democrat. Government maintains producer price despite global market decline. Makbo Cocoa Board, Farmer Galafia, Randiabe, Bloper, Shimanola, Ikenya, former chairman of the NDC, Oba Cocoa, where Ashigadidi, Cocoa, where Ashigadidi, le Kikakata Magaka, Ashiaka Yola, Loga, Chomulana. The Lord of Cocoa Taiko Chomlemo, you may didio, Abaleko Didiano. Glower confirms the market dominance of KGL, urges stakeholders not to compare Glower's 44.9 million to KGL's 173 to NLA. Da Rukishi Chacha, the harbor ball to the harbor, well, yo nyam yole, Buckbladu, Yola Fong, Tapoma, Maragongacho, KGL, KG, Chacha, the harbor ball, Gayo, Bomulako. Acho soplayo to yonyam yole. Matilda Ohiniwa Bere Korang announces bid for a Buakwa South MPP women organizer position. Non via kwa milafia kwa Matilda Ohiniwa ba no chine azu pupola na nyonwo le efikanye hi a Buakwa South. All right. Angela Lees elected first vice president of Ghana Chamber of Mines. Non vi that to be makwa milabana for that mine. Chamber of my Jew double bona doma kwahoshi wakuku plat panchi nya kwa do kwa ya tension at Asia kwa as Chief's legacy legitimacy challenge. La esia quantome if yarema ubemenya make uja warufiao legina bakhlabana. The custodian, Reverend Dogbe, as he extols Bamia's credentials, humility, integrity, and faithfulness. Mikpo Reverend Dogbe le fia ikanya Joji Bogboma Habobo, Ashikuli Habobo, Unola Gan, Balajikla Gana, Emma Tun, Bamia Poroki Bobo, Aleko, Lanya Tepo, Marashi, Plantapo, Jojina Mton. Gloa KGL payment to annual comparing misleading PLOs. Kolebu Wolomo lineage dispute threatens Gun State. Masmazora Gajim left ya how do me Kenya Bogbomonola na Kolebuto Boglomeha Mayama by York Hanya Lafma. Minister petition to sack Equapin South MCE. Go Boglombe no the Equapin South of MC that Tatama Lafuma. Mr. Paul, I should think. Paul Ufori, all right, the Ghanaian point. Missing uses a student found dead on beach as police launch investigation. Now we are Macbommy left my avinu yon Tommy of Jujolopo. View young Tobama, Bamajo over Lukuye, Wamarebanava, Joko, Magagbo, Unchilapuku, Wapula Chaputo. Accra flooding requires investment and attitudinal change. Patrick Boama, you can just sort of do not talk about Bafi, a chiamura not totalagia, Kajabamia Trubia Blamia at the Junaraga, Bakoputana, you know. Government to establish auditors' courts to tackle audit infractions at the force. Atofos nika jirupa donga kupona kana kata kutupa kanya jibo kulomba ajoba yofu on proper to here ka adenku akonta majojurume ame kenya konta majurofa nyauma to suba yokpofo yokpota na nyamaka kawanto. The daily guide GLOA punches hole into KGL revenue comparisons. O.T. Abuaji declares bid for NPP National Vice Chairman. Police close probe against Niharika Honda and son. We can't farm with promises. Farmers to government. Psychiatric hospital OPD gets facelift. Angela List elected Mines Chamber. The Mikboy Okatawa. Ekel Tokafia Kunyo, Betrago Panjiroba, Macho, Bapufrio Domina Kodo. Otia Boajiba no child, as MPP top, Shimanola, Ganakata Globuto, Look Barento. All right, the Inquisitor, ensuring food security, give as fertilizers, peasant farmers to government. Mipo Bishop Takia Boy, and Chief of Staff Julius Debra. I'm wondering. Okay, petrol price floor cut by 12%, diesel 2.5% in latest LPA review. That's an unclear title. KGL Foundation transforms Accra Psych. GLO publishes GL comparison with saying that Razak Opoku shreds GLO wicked agenda. All right, fertilizer low. Metrolens. So far, Akufo quits Council of State. KGL remains market leader. KLOA comparing our 44.9 million to KGL's 173 is misleading. Matilda Ohiniwa Berkwan eyes Ibokwa South MPP women organizer. 2 jobs, 1 person. Samia Oku questions legality of GTA board appointment. 2 jobs, 1 person. Okay, Samia Oku dom of America Masagomo. So far, Bejo, Jole, the Megadam, Dona Jirua. All right, Daily Post. Unrepentant MPP doesn't deserve to return to power after Kennedy Boglombe MPP Toyoko Bejimato Tromajiboga Blo Koya Kereo. Miss University of Cape Coast student Innocentia Achufwi Avenue found dead on the beach. Achufwi Avenue Innocentia is trending. Mio Panko Akpondeshi, one of Yonya, Achufwi Onya, Uber Yonchina Kuku, Uplachaputo. GLOA calls KGL comparison deceptive. All right, Magbomnova Jirudu for Chacha da Ha Bobo Gapong who Lokushi Chacha da Bobo Lakbang maybe. Jirupang more on mind them. Daily Graphic. High Court questions GTEC directive to Costa Rican University doctoral degrees. One drop Kokoraka, the Baba, Gitakinia, Jiru Dope, Kona, Sukuko, the Penyajiba, and my Bromoba Milka, there's a Costa Rica University, also Dokita, Banfifinalo, Nyama, Ma Elamo, Cabantono, Trubarma, Amilcata, the Costa Rican University, who doctorate left ma, Pagbanu, the city Banu, let the Pepe, Gomanare, Matemare, Baba Mare. Ika da scoop bobo so doctor manya doctor alaban kanka ka umu kum Costa Rica for credibility miafi regbo. So that's that. Scuvio ka da skuma owecho anyara GTEC oju GTEC. All right, 310,000 students benefit from no stress policy. 310,000 students benefit from no stress fee policy. Scuvio kala comme pagbato mala Sukuko University view kala pagbanto moba jiru abale ko dongbana yo khasuku finolo 310,000 students across Ghana. Beautiful. Defend democratic governance. Mahama Yariga rallies young citizens. Mahama Yariga majority leader of Yabomba Jabim Kata Nya Jababa Alwe Aleka Sosobina Swe Akodada Bole Blodamak Blore Poji. Rudu miak bloma aja bon no betigbe so na jagbal bo maraka magaba takia tawana. Graphics Stambik breakfast meeting banking cybersecurity experts discuss digital fraud tomorrow. Choka bona efimu ono kajim amana blow ba choka fe yo tarafunjino alwa gana jiraji awazo azan yo madruga cho ka. The publisher, the new publisher, sack the CEO, hire Ghanaian. Protesters tell MTN as legally resident Ghanaians lose jobs in South Africa. Sack the CEO, hire Ghanaian. Protesters tell MTN as legally resident Ghanaians lose jobs in South Africa. Amio Joja Jones Gio Kojiku Alabe South Africa to nyirawo le Ghana to nchi obe Nunola ne MTN ikanya yovuo no tata kpom le fma no nyera kabanto ne Ghana view for dog we na le South Africa danya tanga yovu ya ba o mafia no nyera kaba na amaibo na hoto awo abato magale MTN. GOL rejects unfair comparisons with KGL. Party visa snub. Ghana pulls legal red card on Canada. UCC student found dead at beach. Police probe. All right, Tapate, ikanya midfielder abo pula pe fio do motoraka na Ghana to ikanu do mazado na kwala gbegbe ima obo ma gere Canada to koma la benya kurenchi mozo gba na vi ko je bokozo obo kaba to majo maho moralo akode o mozo gba na Tapate eli nyawon kple the chronicle about it me on the right and maho do chuchu piare na matrova Nyagara Nyama Jujuma, don't you let Tony Mark-Boye from the Chronicle. The Chronicle. Opinion: vehicle pollution, a leading risk factor for death in Ghana. Opinion: vehicle pollution, a leading risk factor for death in Ghana. Bana lo tade fia maracho susubocho of wo berabu ajudo de bla anya tango no mla siri kiaji nana ba amo kwa ba berabu zozo Lotto operators push back gains KGL's 173 million payment to NLA. But Lokishi Chacha Dahabu over Gamma Womba Jew where Chacha Dapma Hana Juba Morata from forget Parimo. Farmers, please stop the budget war and release funds for National Fertilizer Subsidy Program. Eric Opoku, Minister for Agriculture, Kasiela Tofosun, Yalifia Womba, Bomb Jujo. Doran government sama ke jim choka ke chosokana makakle make choka na makaga ko kona makale kai mangokata jo de fingmo ale me yabuta we choka nana bedela ko sube fertilizer na ato ale we ocho de nkunku na chika makapwa and yeah agbana una ife nya jojo ple anya kpikpi ke Ecclesiastes 7:9 enya moya kpikpi ke do mafia gba. Do not be quickly provoked in your spirit, for anger resides in the lap of fools. Ecclesiastes 7:9. Do not be quickly provoked in your spirit, for anger resides in the lap of fools. Magana make chia jibia dojiko, I make a dojiku kaba. When you have Bromula, and you have Balafak, Tandre, Shakia, where Mania people like Bana for the Bobloma maker, Doji Kukawari, Ama Abunetoy, Rumanyala. Yo, Nupola, Fear, Micho, Miapa, Najojo, Malaoma, Jojo, Wɔna, Quachiro, Marco, Domachu, Piero, Gajoletivia, Boko, Matrova, Mia, IEG. Ajro nyao bona.
Oh. No silence ever English dictionary. Nyatepe. Mais si dictionary akara zo afi e passer K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can le basic level. And you know American le SHS. And you know American le university. Allo le language. Nenya make manya be view. E be a strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I'm a make nenya be view module apo. E be a strong be no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Na le dile bo so mad na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Allo number can call screen Nigeria. Open me to the can WhatsApp. Afisi African la. Nya call no silence ever English dictionary. Akwa conveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you talk.
Products from Germany to Ghana. Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne Chobie 9 Junction na the Frajet Hotel but 2222 afima emie lenyema. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
kwe la mlomo keke tu poi atanya tuma traditoi ubonye womza kple
oh
ne ma fa fam ne ma ta ma tu ma no chiko wo blo
dari na bi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukwane gbogbo ya wa but hagbe na di na nuna fia koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pati bani ko hi wonta nya no fura wa bola pati ko nya ko katara gbe
bo ma no chiko
vai bataka no sugo ita bi ga da de secrement tonto bola pati ke wa busielo weto sina
Wayire vola to gbo. Ye no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no ple. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Ita nyeza vola chika. Nyato motoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This vola piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Ma una yira vola to. Ona una masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala kwakwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina nemi ayi Vola eva senda Afima mi apota yo la Nyadeba Vola Efi valo Akulori le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domaru le fuda now Echite pedeka Ufuto makata Mele tomo nyidewa Eti makolo no ba Na ile vola eva senda Ikele jengo aplau Victoria Park Afima na kodo Wotu akame Wakuto Wofukaume Wofukama tutu dokata Vola heba senda Dr. Prosper Debeneba Akodo Come on Vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vi kple de fio
yo miape nukpɔla akpena miavale ke mi tso Ewenyigba TV abe miaƒe TV ke mia akpɔ ŋdi na meda ƒo na mia lekeleke gbogbo ke miaƒe message sɔn vava ko odzidzɔ nam miaƒe message sɔn no va alebe mianɔ xlẽm zi ɖeka ke ɖonkudzi ƒe Ewenyigba TV le Whole Technical University le sukua me ne va ne be gym Fuga Hostel gym kwa afuma ne Ewenyigba TV pogele ma alebe na gremia